Here's another great RV from UNeek RV of Kelso, Washington.
Hi, this is the XLR Boost by Forest River, model 37TSX13.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Be sure to subscribe. UNeek RV has been a family-run and family-oriented business. It's located just north of Portland on Interstate 5. UNeek RV always carries a full line of new and used towable RVs that will make your family's RV dreams come true.